Hi, welcome again to the series of PharmaPOS to know and how to use PharmaPOS. First thing I will show you because I don't have any shortcut on my desktop, so I'm going to create a shortcut for the client so that in case you have somehow deleted the shortcut, you can just go back and create. Mine is actually the program was installed in tools folder. Yours probably inside D drive PharmaPOS and PharmaPOS client. So mine is in D. I go to tools, and then I can see here pharmacy client. So I can just right click, and then send to desktop. Create a shortcut, and then from here there is. I can just put any name there if I want. I can say PharmaPOS. Okay, no wrong spelling. PharmaPOS. Okay. Then I can go in and change the property if I want to run as maximize. I can put -m here. It open as maximize screen. Okay, then apply. That's it. And then I can have this. I can just run it. Okay, connected to the server. Okay, there's something wrong here because the screen is not properly rendered, so I can cancel this. I can go back. Here, property. Where's the property? Property will start with. I can start in the folder that I have here. All the configuration client single. Okay, I start from here. Apply. Okay, then I get all the colors, everything nice. Okay, so then I put password. Okay, so I get full screen of the system of the program. Now, what I'm going to show you today is about price category, where you can define the price category. You can define price category for different type of customers, different type of members, and then apply that to all the products, all the items that you are selling. Okay, so first you go and specify that inside set price category. Right here I have staff price. We have also wholesale price, pharmacy price, and clinic price. Okay, let me show you how to delete, how to create and insert and delete. You can delete this by just pressing delete key. Press enter. You can just do that and delete. Okay, I just delete, so there's empty one. Oh no. Okay, I can't delete the last one. I can change. You can change by just go in and click spacebar and then type. For example, here code is not necessary. Actually, code is actually optional, but an important one is a name here. I can say here maybe staff price. Staff price for your internal staff. You want to give them like 5% above cost. And then I can press insert to get a new one. Then disregard this number, and then the code is not necessary. You can put here. I say this is for wholesalers. Wholesalers price. Wholesalers price, and then maybe you want to give wholesalers 5%, 7%, or 10% of markup. Yeah, and then you insert. Put another one, say clinic here, or maybe you say senior citizen. Senior citizen price. Okay, so you give them maybe, I don't know, maybe also 10%. 10% above cost. Yeah? And then from there you can see already that's what you need to do, and then everything inside the product will be classified. You can see here already have senior citizens price, wholesalers price, staff price, cost price. Then you can, for example, I just take Panadol, so easy. Now you can see Panadol has this price. This Panadol should not have GST, so I just go and delete GST. So without GST, this is the price. $52 for 52 ringgit for the pack of 80. This is 80 tablets, right? Yeah, I think so. This is pack of 48. Yeah, delete this one as well. Okay, it's $28, 28 ringgit for the pack of 40. And then you also have here the senior citizen price, which is 10% of your cost. You know, the current cost is 23.92 multiplied by 10%, so 23 plus 3.9, so 26.32. That's correct, huh? And wholesaler price should be okay also. Nah? Okay, then once you have done that, okay, let me tell you something about this. This price, for example, let's take CF. Yeah, CF here, you can change the price. Maybe you want to give senior citizens price as instead of 49, I want to round up to 49, 50 instead of 49.50, round up to 49, and then wholesaler maybe 50, okay, and okay, that's safe. Okay, 49.50. These changes will remain here, will not be changed until the next received stock. When you receive the same product, Panadol CF, if the cost change, then this will change. This is 10%, this is 10%. Okay, this will change to the default, which is 10%. Okay, if it is not, this 51. Okay, if it is otherwise, it will remain the same forever. Okay, and then how to use this? If you go to point of sales, okay, no, you have to specify members first. You go to membership. Let's say we search for Ben Ibrahim. Oh no, it's wrong spelling, right? Yeah. Oops. Ben Ibrahim. I can see myself there. Because Ben Ibrahim, when you search for Ben Ibrahim, everything that has Ben Ibrahim will appear. Or Ibrahim Bin. So that doesn't matter. You can say Ibrahim Bin. Anyway, or just Ibrahim Bin. Also can. Anything that has Ibrahim and Bin. Okay, so the order didn't matter. So this is mine. Okay, this is all fictitious number. The rest are all, I think, should be actual number, because it's taken from actual data from one of the pharmacies. So okay, then Ibrahim here, I can give him let's say senior citizen price, because he's almost 60 now. Okay, his IC is probably almost 100. Okay. Oh, 100 and something years old. So he's a real senior citizen. So we give him senior citizen's price, and then when you go to, okay, let's save this. Then when we go to point of sales, I can put his name here. Okay, there's only one Razi there. He's a senior citizen, allergy is not sure. Then you can put him, say, Panadol. You can Panadol CF here. Okay, the price was given just, oops, sorry. Panadol CF, or Panadol CF, sorry, my bad. Panadol CF, I can change that packing to the box, and instead of loose. So when I press F3 from here, it will go into that stock screen. Then you can see Panadol CF. The price is 45. The cost is 45. The selling price, retail price is 80. Senior citizens price is 49. The wholesaler price. When I press escape, it go back to that system. It's 49, 46.95 because of what? Because he has 10% discount. So this man also have that 10% discount out of 45, out of his the listed or whatever that we define as a senior citizens price. You give on top of that 10%, but 10% is also limited to what the item bracket. You have a bracket on the price for the item. You have a maximum discount that can be given to the product item. So if you go back to F3 here, you can see here maximum discount is 5%. So 49%, you minus 5%, 49 ringgit minus 5%. I don't know. You know what? 2 ringgit something, right? It can be 2 ringgit something. So yeah, around 2 ringgit something. Yeah, I can remove the discount if I want. I can just say, oh, even though he has 10%, I don't want to give him today. So I can press 0, then I can get 49. Yeah, this is the correct price. So it's actually 5%. If you put 10%, even if you put 100%, it won't go. That's the maximum you can give him the discount. Okay, so I get 5%. By the way, this discount also doesn't have to be tied to any members. You can just, even without members, you can change this field and then give a discount to the user, yeah? To the your customer. Okay, this is 46.95. Yeah. So for example, if you have another product, just show a few more. Vita recovery. Okay, say whatever. Okay, then I can say oh, so difficult. Hair. How about the soda? Okay. So this is based on 5% discount. I can remove this, or I can remove the user. This is 5%. I can remove the user from here. Then I can get, this is a standard price. Okay, standard price, retail price. So I can still give him 10% here if I want, without him registering. Right? You don't have to register him. You can still give him 10%. So these are all 10%, provided the product as 10%. This is 5%. This is 5% only. So out of I think $80, right? It's 80 ringgit. This one, CFF3. The retail price is 80 minus 5% is 84 minus 4. Yeah, 84. 2. I'm bad. Okay, no problem. So this is 5% maximum. 5% out of 80 is 4 ringgit. That's correct. Yeah, 4 ringgit. Okay. So that's basically that's it. That's it about the price category. So the recap, you have to go in here and then add your own price category, and then from there you go to your members and set the price, which price category here, or you can go to your wholesale customer, so you set the price category here for any of the wholesale customer. Okay, then you can go in and set the price category here. So this is maybe something for wholesale price or what, and then when you do sales, point of sale, it will be automatically deducted, given the correct price for the correct customer. Same thing when you have wholesales here. Yeah. Okay, see you again in next video. Bye bye.